Today is Friday, July 12th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And I don't think anyone's going to be complaining as we go into the weekend that the weather is finally going to be pretty quiet. And since it is the weekend and it's going to be quiet, we can kind of dance our way into a quieter weekend with some joy. So let's take a look at the weather map. We still have the extreme heat out there in the west. It's warm, but it is not all that hot in the Great Lakes, and the humidity, at least for right now, is down. The leading edge of more humid air certainly coming in from the west, and that's going to be the focal point for some showers and storms this afternoon. It is rather showery and stormy along the Gulf Coast and along the southeast, and of course you have your afternoon showers and storms down the Florida Peninsula. But let's start our journey around the central U.S. and we'll be 83 today in Detroit, 82 in Cleveland, 84 for you in Grand Rapids, well into the 80s over there in Minneapolis and down to Des Moines. 90 in Cincinnati with some showers and storms possible, although much of the day will be dry, maybe a pop-up shower storm in Louisville, and dry but hot in Nashville and Memphis with highs in the mid-90s. Now, we are going to see those temperatures climbing here through the Great Lakes. So, although it's much more comfortable today, over the weekend, the heat and the humidity will climb. We'll be up near 90 by Sunday and Monday, and probably into the low 90s there in Chicago by the end of the weekend. Down in the southeast with the clouds and showers and some thunderstorms, temperatures will be mostly in the upper 80s today. 94 with sunshine there in Atlanta. Scattered showers and storms throughout pretty much the entire state of Florida. A few showers and storms in New Orleans as well, and dry but hot in Dallas with a high of 98. It has been a hot summer out there in Texas. So temperatures in the southeast, once that stationary front or nearly stationary front starts to sort of drift away, it's going to get hot again. All our models suggest that we could be looking at widespread heat throughout the entire eastern half of the United States next week. So look at these numbers, and that gives you an idea of what's to come. So prepare for that in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. Scattered showers and storms around this afternoon, then drying out later on this evening in Fort Lauderdale. It's going to stay hot and humid when Florida does what it does here through the month of July and August, and very often into September. That is your Friday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great weekend, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.